Hi, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Today, I want to talk about why you need to paper everything. But first, I want to say if you have any questions about what you're going to hear today, you'd like to discuss your business, or you think you have a potential case, all you have to do is go to meetjde.nyc. That's meetjde.nyc. And you can book a 10-minute phone or 30-minute in-person consultation with me. Now, why you need to paper everything. All right? You never know for sure you're going to be in a lawsuit, and hopefully you never will be. But always paper everything, especially if there's any potential for someone to screw up. Now, the reason I'm thinking about this is I had a potential client call today where the person I was speaking with, they were falsely accused of something. Something was published about that. The guy was found innocent, but the publication was never rescinded. Now, it's many, many years later, past the normal statute of limitations. But people can go on the internet, of course, because the internet's forever, and they have found what he was accused of. So my client, or my potential client, has lost business because of this. Now, normally, past statute of limitations can't do anything. But it's online for one, okay? And so that means that it's kind of always discoverable, always able to go after it. But the more important thing in this whole scenario is that the paper was put on notice, the publication was put on notice, okay? Put on notice that the guy was innocent, all right? So, because there's that rolling, people can discover it at any time, plus he has proof that they're on notice. And listen, that's the more important thing I got to tell you today. You paper it so that they are on notice. Paper everything so you can prove it. If he had just called them up and said, please take down this article, I'm innocent, it wouldn't have gone anywhere. There'd be no chance to have a lawsuit. Because how do you prove a conversation was had? They can say, well, we never spoke with him. Done. You have no chance of proving your case. But he can paper it. He can show, listen, on X date, I sent them an official letter saying to take it down. I sent it again on another date. Okay? This is why you paper, to prove that they were put on notice. And this goes for everything, okay? When you're trying to work something out on the phone, and a bank says, oh, we'll refund your fees, and they never do. Write it down, follow up, make sure you paper everything so you have some kind of proof, okay? A lot of times what attorneys will do, when they speak on the phone, they then send a verification email. They say, just to confirm what we spoke about today, you agreed to do X. All right? And then the other side now is email. Now, if they don't respond to that email ever, well, then that doesn't work to say they never got it. If it was false, if you said, you agreed to X and they never did, they would have responded and said, no, we did not. Okay, that's how attorneys are. You paper everything so you have a chance to prove your case in court if it has to go there. Okay? If you just go, well, Sally told me on the phone, and Sally goes, no, I didn't. That's a he said, she said. You will never prove it. You'll never win your case. Paper everything just in case, and you will be protected in some regard, okay? So if you have any questions about what you heard today, you'd like to discuss your business, or you think you have a potential case, remember to go to meetjde.nyc, and you can book that 10-minute phone or 30-minute in-person consultation. And if you like what you heard today and you want to hear more of this type of content, please like and subscribe so you get this in the future. And remember, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Thanks for watching and listening.